Can you hear that deliciousness?
Sounds like freedom. Hello and happy 4th of July. We have a really 4th of July-ish awesome recipe today. What are we having, babe?
This is a staple in American culture. It's potato salad. Simple, easy, crowd-pleasing potato salad.
But not just any potato salad. This homemade, easy potato salad recipe is very special to babe.
Yes, so this is my grandma's recipe. She passed away like 20 years ago, but we've kept the recipe in the family, and I called my mom up and said, I need that. I want to make a video. And this is delicious and simple. And when I taste it, it just reminds me of Grandma. So I'm very excited to share this with you, and I hope you all enjoy it as much as I do.
Grandma's homemade potato salad recipe for the 4th of July. All right, babe, are you ready?
I'm ready.
And here we go.
Okay, so here's your ingredients list. And I want you to know that I did actually decide to add something in she didn't have, which is bacon. So this is an extra. All right, I took the workout of you having to watch me boil potatoes. We chopped them up. I did about 6 potatoes. I chopped them up into 1-inch pieces, boiled them for about 25 minutes, put them in my bowl, let them cool down a little bit. We did half of a white onion. I did about 6 stalks of celery, and then I chopped it up so that it's not too big of pieces. I did about 5 strips of bacon. I'm doing 6 eggs. I'll probably keep 1 to put on top with the little pretty rings.
Those are hard-boiled eggs.
Those are hard-boiled eggs. Sorry, yes. Duke's mayo, whatever kind of mayo you want. She used Best Foods, but we have this in our refrigerator. Yellow mustard. We're actually doing it mayo heavy and very light mustard because she didn't like mustard. Some sweet pickles, salt, pepper, paprika. Very simple.
And that's it, babe.
That's it. Okay, so I'm going to start by chopping my eggs. I chopped all of the other things up just because we know how to chop an onion, we know how to chop celery. But for the eggs, I'm cutting them in half. And then I'm just going to do tiny little pieces. Egg tends to break up, and the yolk is going to become creamy once it's in there. So we just want little baby pieces. And I'm going to do that with 5 of my 6 eggs. Okay, now comes the fun part. I've got my eggs all chopped up. 5 of my eggs chopped up. It looks like this. So we're going to dump that in. We should really link these mats below. Do you think you could do that?
Sure, babe. We can put a link below.
Okay. These are my favorite mats, I have to say. They're little, they're movable, they're easy to clean, and it comes in like a 5-pack. So I just keep them and I just grab them for each thing, and I love them. So I'm going to put a link below. I actually got them in my FabFitFun box, and they've been a godsend to me because I don't have to pull out a whole cutting board every time. They're really easy, okay? And then we're going to add our onion, our celery, our bacon. Totally forgot one of my favorite parts, the little sweet pickles. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 of them here. I'm probably going to put like 10 in. And you just want to get them all chopped up into little baby pieces. You could probably use relish too if you didn't want to chop. But I really just like these pickles because I like to pop them in my mouth. Okay, we got our pickles chopped up. Drop these babies in there. So because I used like 6 or 7 potatoes, I have to use a lot of mayo because we want to make sure that we cover everything. So I'm going to use about 3 cups of mayonnaise. So let's get that in there. So we're going to do some mustard. Not a whole lot. Do it to taste. We're going to put a little paprika in there. Some pepper, again, to your taste, to your liking. This one's a little bit salt heavy, salt and mayo heavy, but just make sure it's to your liking. Okay, and we mix.
I hope the neighbors are going to want some potato salad, babe.
Boy, I sure
Because
hope so.
freedom and potato salad.
Because
if we can keep it in the bowl.
because we have a lot of it.
Now, do you use a potato masher and mash the potatoes, or is it just a spoon going to mash it because they're so soft?
Well, you don't want them mashed. You want them chunky. Potato salad is supposed to be chunky.
Oh, okay.
Have some chunks and some mash. Oh yeah, that's looking very tasty. Do you hear that deliciousness? Let's see. I'll tell you what, it's those sweet pickles that brings back the memories of it. And the crunch from the celery. It is so good. So good. It's perfect. So this potato salad is so good.
Ooh.
I've been trying to do cauliflower potato salad.
Cauliflower potato salad, that's not even a thing.
I mean, this just, it just doesn't even compete.
Yeah, babe, let me try it. Oh, crunch.
The sweet pickles?
That's very good.
It's yummy, huh?
I like the crunch from the celery.
Yeah. And
I
you
ta-
don't even like celery.
No. I taste the sweet pickles. Those are really good.
It's like heavy mayo, salty
Yep.
goodness.
Put that in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes and get a little chill on it. Oh, it's going to be rocking.
It's good, huh?
Very, very good.
Thanks, Grandma.
That is really, really good.
Yeah.
So we have to roll our top tier channel members. You guys make this whole YouTube hobby possible for Babe and I. So thank you, thank you, thank you to all of our channel members, regardless of the tier. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, babe.
Are you
Successful potato salad. That was super good.
It's yummy, huh?
Yeah.
Now we better go feed the neighbors.
The whole
We should probably save a lot because
That's good.
I think that's pretty darn good.
That was real good.
Yeah.
Wow. We have a lot of potato salad over here, everybody.
Like,
That was really good.
pounds.
All right. We'll see you on the next video. Happy 4th of July.